Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to Floorland, the go-to place for all things home decor and renovation. Today we have an exciting episode lined up for you. We're diving into the world of wall panel fittings, showcasing the 10 latest fittings that can transform your home's interior and exterior spaces. So, if you're looking for fresh ideas and a touch of inspiration, you're in the right place. Now, before we jump into the fittings, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our home improvement adventures. Alright, let's get started. Sleek and seamless panel connectors. Kicking things off with number 1, we have sleek and seamless panel connectors. These fittings not only provide a flawless look but also make the installation process a breeze. They're perfect for creating a clean, modern aesthetic in your living room or bedroom. Hidden magnetic fasteners. Next on the list is a personal favorite of mine, hidden magnetic fasteners. These little wonders not only hold your wall panels securely in place but also eliminate the need for visible screws or nails. A win-win for both style and convenience. Decorative corners and trims. Moving on to number 3, we have decorative corners and trims. These fittings add a touch of elegance to your wall panels, turning them into stunning focal points. It's all about the details, right? Host with a sample wall panel. Now, imagine combining all these fittings for a truly spectacular look. You'll have a wall that's not just functional but also a work of art. But wait, there's more. 3D wall panel clips. Coming in at number 4, we have 3D wall panel clips. These clips allow you to create captivating 3-dimensional designs on your walls, perfect for adding that extra dimension to your space. Modular panel systems. At number 5, we have modular panel systems. These fittings are like building blocks for your walls. Mix and match different panels to create unique patterns and arrangements. It's like playing with adult-sized Legos for your home. Smart panel integration. Now, let's talk about the future smart panel integration at number 6. Imagine panels that can change colors, display art, or even mimic natural light. Smart fittings are revolutionizing wall panels, bringing technology and design together seamlessly. How cool is that? The possibilities are endless. Before we continue, remember to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. It really helps us out. Environmentally friendly fixings. Number 7 on our list is all about sustainability. Environmentally friendly fixings ensure that your wall panels are not just beautiful but also eco-conscious. It's a small step towards a greener home. Quick install panel clips. For all the DIY enthusiasts out there, our 8th fitting is a game-changer: quick install panel clips. These are designed for easy installation, making the process swift and stress-free. Perfect for those weekend home improvement projects. Acoustic panel mounts. Now, let's talk about functionality with number 9, acoustic panel mounts. These fittings not only enhance the sound quality in your space but also add a touch of sophistication to your walls. Perfect for a home theater or a cozy reading nook. Outdoor panel fasteners. Last but not least, at number 10, we have outdoor panel fasteners. Extend your interior design to the exterior of your home with fittings that can withstand the elements. Transform your patio or garden walls into stylish, weather-resistant masterpieces. And there you have it, the latest and greatest wall panel fittings to elevate your home decor game. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Until next time, happy decorating.